Meanwhile, Metro Manila policemen will be on round-the-clock security alert during the Holy Week. PNP NCRPO Chief Pina ordered the move to prevent criminals from taking advantage of the coming holidays. Alvin Baltazar tells us more.
No any policeman in Metro Manila would be allowed to take a break this coming Holy Week. This was the directive by National Capital Region Police Office Chief Police Director Leonardo Espina, who was given his assurance of a 24 round-the-clock security measure that would be implemented in the metropolis on this year's Semana Santa.
Bawal ang break pagka ganito. Pagka kayo'y naka-break, dun lalo kami busy.
Metro Manila policemen together with barangay officials and personnel particularly will be manning houses which may be targeted by unlawful individuals, specifically by members of Akyat Bahay. Espina's appeal, leave as much as possible a member of the family who will man the house while other members are on vacation.
Pakibilin sa inyong mga kapitbahay na mapagkakatiwalaan naman, no? O kaya lagi inyong bubuksan ang inyong ilaw sa loob, lahat at saka sa labas upang sa gabi ay kung sino man na magtatangkang tao na nakawan ng inyong mga bahay ay magdadalawang isip.
The NCRPO chief added that they too will be assisting motorists who may encounter some problems during their travel, and all they need to do is to get through text 2920.
Bigay nyo na exact location, ano ang trouble na inyong mga pangalan, ano ang trouble na inyong kinahinatnan, kayo ina-stall ba, etc. At kami handang umalalay.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.